Hi guys, this is Jason. Today ignore the papers here. I'm doing stuff for health. Right now I'm gonna show you the Colt 1911 for airsoft. It's really heavy. It's really strong because a friend of mine used it on me and it was 2 days ago and my bruise is just about gone, but it was huge. I'm not even kidding you. Huge. Well, basically, this is if you want power, because it only takes 12 shots. It has a reservoir. Holds 88 shots in the reservoir, but only shoots 12 at a time. Has a cool little hammer in the back. You can pull it back without the spring. But basically, you'd aim and then do this, and you shoot. And that's basically the Colt 1911.